If you're following the crypto market, you know the game never stops. And today, Bitcoin is showing once again why it's considered digital gold. Despite a slight 2% correction, the world's largest cryptocurrency remains strong above the $100,000 mark. That's over 575,000 Brazilian reais. But what's behind this resilience? New data from the United States showed a drop in producer inflation for April, which sparked optimism that the Federal Reserve may soon ease its monetary policy. In a scenario like that, risk assets like Bitcoin tend to surge. And that's exactly what we're starting to see. But it doesn't stop there. Stay with me until the end, because there are major institutional moves happening in the background that could shift everything in the coming months. With Bitcoin hovering near its 3-week highs and recently touching $105,000, long-term holders have started cashing in profits. It's a classic move in moments of upward momentum. The market climbs, then corrects. But what really stands out is the growing institutional interest in Bitcoin. Just recently, Méliuz, a Brazilian company, announced the purchase of 274 BTC, bringing their total reserves to over 320 Bitcoins. They've invested $28.4 million, officially becoming a Bitcoin treasury company. That's more than just a bold bet. It's a strategic move to protect assets, diversify investments, and secure a spot in an increasingly digital financial future. And Méliuz isn't alone. Latin American giant Mercado Libre increased its Bitcoin holdings by 38% in the first quarter this year, totaling over $59 million in crypto reserves. These aren't just tech trends. They're serious financial strategies being adopted by major players. And if you think this wave is limited to Latin America, think again. Over in Japan, tech company Metaplanet purchased another 1,241 BTC, bringing its total to nearly 6,800 Bitcoins, surpassing even the national holdings of El Salvador. Meanwhile, Ukraine is working on legislation to establish a national Bitcoin reserve. Yes, you heard that right. Entire countries are preparing to use Bitcoin as a strategic financial asset. In light of all this, some analysts are pointing to a bold and exciting prediction. Bitcoin could be on the verge of breaking its all-time high. And they're not just guessing, they're basing it on 4 key reasons. First, the post-halving cycle, which historically drives Bitcoin prices higher. Second, the surge in institutional adoption. Third, a supply crunch caused by whales aggressively accumulating BTC. And finally, the unstoppable pace of global adoption, both by corporations and governments. These 4 forces are combining to create the perfect storm, and that storm could push Bitcoin to levels we've never seen before. So if you're watching the crypto market or thinking of getting in, now's the time to pay close attention. Bitcoin has once again proven that it can hold strong through corrections and remains on the radar of the world's biggest institutions. If current trends continue, what we're witnessing today could just be the start of a new bullish era. And you do not want to miss it. So go ahead, like this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always the first to know what's happening in the crypto world. Stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next one.